Sardar Tanveer Ilyas Khan, president of Istehkam Pakistan Party, has said that India lost the Kashmir case in the United Nations Security Council back in 1949 when the Security Council upheld the Kashmiris' right to self-determination, rejecting all claims made by India in her Kashmir complaint of January 1, 1948. In fact, India has no claim over Kashmir whatsoever. She is keeping Kashmir in her possession through its military. Presently, about 1 million Indian armed forces are occupying every hearth, home, building, street, plain, valley, bazaar, school, college, and office of political parties in Kashmir. He recounted these statistics in his well-attended press conference at the National Press Club here. He was surrounded by MLA Ali Shan Soni, advisor to PM Ahmed Saghir, Kashmir Council member Sardar Adnan Siab Khalid, Chairman Bagh District Council Sardar Asif Khan, and ex-special assistant to PM Sardar Imtiaz Shaheen. Sardar Tanveer Ilyas paid rich homage and tributes to the founding president of Azad Kashmir government, Ghazi-e-Millat Sardar Mohammad Ibrahim Khan, saying Kashmiri people belonging to all political and social schools of thought are immensely grateful to Ghazi-e-Millat, in whose Srinagar house the historic resolution of accession of Jammu and Kashmir was fervently passed on July 19, 1947, when both Pakistan and India had not physically come into separate geographic existence. The July 19, 1947 accession resolution is a Magna Carta for the people of Jammu and Kashmir on both sides of the line of control. Our people are determined to materialize this charter, for which tremendous human and material sacrifices are being offered by them. India is well aware of this resolve of the Kashmiris and is inimically playing with the geography of the state. The more India distorts the physical history and map of Kashmir under her military occupation, the more the Kashmiri struggle will intensify. Our struggle has the legitimacy of the UN, whose rulings and resolutions India is flouting with arrogance. The entire world is quite aware of this socio-political and geographic aggression by India in Kashmir, he pointed out. He called upon the 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council to take urgent notice of India's utter failure in implementing the UN mandate in Jammu and Kashmir. How can Kashmiris sit silent when India is flagrantly violating the UN's Kashmir rulings? Sardar Tanveer questioned. He said that the July 19 Rawalakot public meeting would prove a sound political and ideological declaration of the people for intensifying their Kashmir accession to Pakistan's struggle, for standing resolutely by the brave armed forces of Pakistan, who are defending Kashmir and resisting the engineered anti-Kashmiri conspiracies by India and her 1 million Kashmir occupation armed forces. We, the people of Kashmir on either side of the line of control, are deeply grateful to the people, government, and armed forces of Pakistan for their support of the Kashmir cause. Elaborating further, Sardar Tanveer Ilyas said that we Kashmiris in Jammu and Kashmir consider ourselves part of Pakistan, and this is our voluntary public status. We shall continue to augment and defend this firm stance, he declared. He added that on August 14, 2024, history's biggest assemblage of people at Rawalakot, the fortress of Ghazis and martyrs of the Kashmir Liberation Movement, will celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day to infuse fresh force into the ongoing Kashmir struggle under the proud banner of We Are Pakistan. That will be a befitting public response to foil Indian foul mechanisms in Kashmir, he added.
बल्कि एपीएससी के कायदीन हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि जिस तकरीब के अंदर सरदार तनवीर मौजूद हो वहाँ पे हमें अपनी बात करने की जरूरत नहीं, हमें उनके मौक़िफ़ को इतने दो टोक अंदाज में बयान करते हैं। आपका सवाल का दूसरा हिस्सा कि बेस कैंप की गवर्नमेंट का जो रोल होना चाहिए वो आपके सामने है कि बेस कैंप की गवर्नमेंट का जो पूरा रोल अदा करना चाहिए। अगर वो यहाँ पे बिजली और आटे के मामला को हैंडल नहीं कर सकते तो वो कश्मीर के लिए क्या करेंगे? उनके ऊपर एक सवालिया निशान आपका भी है, मेरा है कि वो क्या रोल अदा कर सकते हैं। उनका रोल जो है इंतहाई नाक़िस है, उनकी कारकर्दगी इंतहाई नाक़िस है।